Hello viewers, welcome to our channel all about electric boilers. In today's video, we will showcase the installation of the Holland Geyser 9 electric boiler in a house with a spacious area of 160 square meters. This 9 kilowatt boiler is perfectly suited for heating such a sizable space. Stay tuned as we provide a step-by-step guide on how to install this efficient electric boiler. Our client utilized coal as the primary heating source for the house. Moreover, they made a smart investment by installing solar panels, resulting in remarkable savings on heating expenses. Here, as you can see, there is a boiler room with a red solid fuel boiler, and here we will install an electric boiler in parallel. In this video, I want to draw your attention to something. Each house or apartment has a certain allowed electrical power. In houses or apartments, a main automatic switch is installed near each meter for convenient access and control. What is power and electricity? To put it simply, this is the current multiplied by the voltage. The voltage remains constant throughout, while only the current undergoes changes. It is important to note that each automatic circuit breaker is clearly marked with a specific rated current value, indicating the threshold at which it will not trip or interrupt the circuit. The electricity supplier restricts the input power for every house or apartment, ensuring it doesn't exceed the set limit. In our case, the nominal current for a 9 kilowatt boiler is 14A. In this case, we see 12A. If your primary automatic switch is, for instance, a 20 amp or 25 amp switch, it is indeed insufficient. This is because when you activate the electric boiler, the main automatic switch will simply shut off. Therefore, if you have such a situation, you need to contact your electricity supplier to increase the power. Let's return to our installation. Here you can see the wall where we'll be installing an electric boiler unit. Established connections using a 32 mm polypropylene pipe throughout the system. Furthermore, an additional circulation pump was installed and water was drained from the network system. The expansion tank had already been installed, so there was no need for us to install it. We carefully laid the power cable for connecting the electric boiler inside a plastic pipe and securely screwed it to the wall, ensuring a safe and tidy installation. We utilized a 5-coil cable with a cross-sectional area of 4 square millimeters. Upon turning on the electric boiler, we measured a phase current of 9.6 amps at a heat carrier temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. This value aligns with the specified values indicated in the boiler's passport, confirming its proper functioning. And that's it. Thank you for watching. More details available on our website, link in the description.